In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple assignees in Jira. This capability is particularly useful in team environments where tasks need to be managed by more than one person. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily implement this in your Jira setup. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the Jira settings. This is easily accessible by looking for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of options, and from there, you should select Work Items. This particular tab is your gateway to managing all things related to issues, and it includes creating custom fields, which is the focal point of our task today. Once you're within the issue settings, take a moment to locate the Custom Field section. This is where you'll be able to create a new field, allowing you to assign tasks to multiple users. When you find this section, go ahead and click on Create Custom Field. This action will unveil an array of options for different types of custom fields. At this stage, you'll be presented with various field types to choose from. Our focus today is on the advanced fields, so make sure to select that option. After selecting advanced fields, look for the one called User Picker, Multiple Users. Choosing this option is crucial as it provides the ability to select more than one user for the field, thus enabling the assignment of multiple assignees to a task. After you've identified and selected the correct field type, it's time to give your field a fitting name. Consider something descriptive, like Additional Assignees. A clear and concise name is essential as it will appear whenever you or your team members manage issues, preventing any potential confusion. With the name chosen, click on Create to formally add your custom field to the list. But wait, there's an additional step to make this field functional. You need to decide where exactly you want it to appear. Screens in Jira function as templates for different issue types, so you'll need to pick the screen that aligns with tasks requiring multiple assignees. Once you've made your selection, simply click on Update to apply your changes. Now you're all set and ready to use this new capability. Whenever you're creating or editing an issue, you'll find the custom field available, making it possible to input multiple users as additional assignees. It's important to keep in mind that while the primary assignee remains the main person responsible for the issue, these additional assignees can be notified and tracked regarding their involvement. This setup significantly enhances collaboration and ensures everyone who needs to be informed stays in the loop. With these steps, you can now effectively manage tasks with multiple contributors in Jira. Happy collaborating!